In this video, we're going to show you how to install the gas cap on your Ford Mustang, located behind the fuel cap door. Open up the fuel cap door. We're going to unscrew the gas cap. Now, in some cases, you might have a plastic retainer here. Ours has a screw. We're simply going to remove that because that is holding the tether to it. I'm going to install our screw or your plastic retainer and pop this back in. Now, if yours has a screw like ours does, you don't want it to tighten down all the way. You want to leave it so that the tether can spin on it a little bit. Install the cap, twist and lock, and close the door. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.